Hello, I'm going to show you how to prepare fish fingers. So you want to take the fish, it's already had its skin removed, and then cut it into pieces about the size of your middle finger. So in half again, into thin strips, and then these are quite long, so I'm just going to cut them lengthways and then widthways. But they don't have to be completely even, but you've got like these lovely little goujons or fingers that we're then going to coat. So this is where the fun messy part starts. Take your left hand and pop a few pieces of fish into the flour. So this bowl here has the flour, a little bit of paprika and a little bit of salt, and then just mix them around, always using the same hand. This is the flour hand. Then you want to pick one up at a time. Just shake off any of the extra flour that's clinging onto it. Drop it into the egg. Like so. And then using your other hand, this is going to be the wet hand, coat each one so you can't see any of the flour anymore. All that flour wants to be covered in all of that egg. Turn them over and then pick one up, let all that extra egg just drip off, and then just drop it into the breadcrumbs. When you've got 3 or 4 in the bowl, then you just want to coat them. So again, using that hand that's got just the flour on, coat them, sprinkle over the breadcrumbs so it doesn't get all of the egg on your fingers. So you want to try and keep this left hand dry. The right hand is the one that's going to be wet with the egg on it, and the left hand stays dry. And then it's not quite as sticky and messy. Otherwise you'll end up coating your fingers in flour, egg and breadcrumbs as much as you do the fish fingers. And there you have it, it's all completely coated in the breadcrumbs. Remove them, pop them onto a plate, and then you can just continue with the rest of them. And that is how you prepare fish fingers.